The North Carolina Center for Missing Persons, on behalf of the state of Georgia, has issued a blue alert. Timothy Craig Ramsey, 26-year-old white male, 5 feet 11 inches, 185 pounds, is wanted for aggravated assault of a law enforcement officer. He was last seen on foot in the area of McKaysville, Georgia, wearing a green top, dark pants, dark motorcycle helmet. Subject considered armed and dangerous. Do not approach. If seen, call 911. Check local media and social media for updates.